Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Eileen. I have a Kscraft guest design team project share for you today. And yes, I am still trying to catch up with my April guest design team package. So this is going to be the Cowgirl portion of the April release. So mind you, I'm behind. So anyway, what I came up with, I tried to get all the mini album die sets together and tried to create one mini album. So here we go. Let me just get a drink real quick. This is what I came up with. So there are several mini albums, die sets that are in this collection. And also I used the bag toppers and all that good stuff. Let me just show you. Let's just go through it. Why not? Let's see. Okay. So first of all, I started with little cowgirl boots. And there's a small and the large. So I made a bunch, not a bunch, but a few pieces with that die set. I also used some of the words from the Cowgirl Shadow words. For the bag topper, I just used the word part, not the base for the bag topper. And then to start it, I used the Jean Pocket mini album, and I used this little hinge piece here to join all of my mini albums. So this is really the base of the mini albums that I created. I also used the Cowboy Cactus mini album. I also used the hat part as a, you'll see, as a embellishment. And then I used the cowboy hat mini album, and this hat has all the embellishments. If you don't have any ephemera as for cowboy, cowgirl, southern, stuff, you could definitely use all the embellishments here, which is what I did. I created embellishments with those pieces. So that is a great die set to have in your stash. I did use the cow mini album, but I did not use the small. There's a large, which is the main part, and then there's a small cow, and it's exactly the same, but I didn't use it. I just used the large part. And then the last piece I used was the Cowgirl Boot mini album. This is so cute, but you'll see what I did with that. So let's get through all of this. I did not use the cowgirl bows, which I should have pulled out. I didn't play with that yet. And I did try to use these two stamped images. This is the Cowgirl Sentiment stamps. There's a girl on a horse, and then there's a girl tipping her hat. When I went to stamp these, they did not come out right. Let me just show you what they look like. I stamped it on my table surface, and I thought maybe it was my table, and then I pulled out my wooden chopping board, and it wasn't it was doing the same thing. So I feel, because the image has like repetitive blots, I feel like there's a default to my stamp set. So I gave up on that. I won't give up on this. I'll make this one on a later video. But here's what I did. Here's the hinge mechanism. I doubled it up. I cut it twice and glued it together. And then I sandwiched it in between the layering pieces. But instead of attaching the layer piece to the background on the mini album, I created a second page. So this is the smaller part of the pocket. Then you get the buckle. The cowgirl is from the word sentiment. You get two styles of buckles. You get a heart shape and an irregular rectangle shape. I use the heart shape. Let me try to get it out of here. So that's the other buckle. That's what it looks like. I just used the heart. I made a pocket within the pocket. And I also created a shaker. You can see here it barely shakes, but it doesn't move at all. After putting all the layering pieces, you really got to force it to shake around. So anyway, I just used some sequins from my stash. I also added the cowgirl boots on there as an embellishment. And this feather is from the cowboy hat with all those embellishment pieces I told you about. So that's where the feather comes from. And I just made a simple card to fit into the pocket. And on this card, you could like add a photo, or you could just journal on both sides, just up to you. So that is the first page. And then when you flip it over, the back side, I did cover the back up, and then I created another little pull tag out of here. And here's another one of the Cowgirl Sentiments die set. Let's Go Girls. I love that one. And then I created a tuck spot using the word, and I just put glue on the far ends, on the left and the right side, so that you'll be able to create a tuck spot. And the stars, the star came from the cowboy hat again. So here's another one of the boots, and I just created a card to put your photo and also journaling, or you could put it the other way, just up to you, whoever receives this. And then the star, the cactus, and the horseshoe all come from the cowboy hat mini album. It comes from this set right here, cowboy hat mini album. So here is the second layer pieces from the pocket, and I created a pocket on the top, and you can pull it out. And the little hat here, this is from the cactus mini album, and I only used the hat part. I tucked in a cardstock that, you know, you could fit through there, and you can also journal or just add photos, up to you. And then the back side, I just covered the back of the embellishment piece here. And then this is a double-sided cardstock. Oh yeah, I forgot to show. I am using a Good Day Sunshine from Echo Park. This is all the way back when there was a Tuesday morning. I never used the collection, so I decided I wanted these flowers. I wanted the green, the plaid, these flowers here. So really, I only worked with this 1, 2, 3, 4, and it comes with solid colored cardstock double-sided. So that's what you see here. This is the blue, and on the opposite side is the red. Okay, so that's what I did on the top of this pocket. Isn't that cute? Just like that. I think that is such a cute piece. And these little flowers I had received from Happy Mail. And I don't remember who made those. Sorry. I also created a side pocket. So here you have a side pocket, and this word howdy, the word comes from the hat mini album. Like I said, it comes with so many embellishing pieces. Literally, you could create your own embellishments. I added another one of the boots right on there, and then I used my gel pen to create stitch marks on some of them, not all of them, on the tag pieces. So on the back side of that one, I used the stars again and the horseshoe and created a tuck spot. So you tuck that in. Whoop. Uh-oh. There you go. Got a little stuck there. And again, it's the double-sided cardstock from that collection. And you could add photos. You could add journaling, whatever. So the next page, here it is. It is our cowboy hat. So I just created a page with this one. And there's the word howdy. I cut it out 3 times in red, white, and blue. There's the cactus that I layered with yellow glitter cardstock. And then I just used a regular cardstock on top. Some flowers from my stash. And the way I did the howdy, I added it to some acetate. This is also a tuck spot. I forgot to create a tag for that one. But this is a tuck spot. You can put your photo in there and just tuck your photo in just like that. I forgot to do a little card just to show that it is a tuck spot. So that's cute. On the back side of the hat, I used the negative pieces just to layer onto my hat here. And I used some glitter cardstock to cover the back side. And then here are those little red flowers. I like the way that pops just like that. You can also add a photo here or whatever, you know, it's up to you. Nothing even. I didn't put any pockets on that one. So the next page I made the cactus. So here's our little cactus. I didn't add the mouth. I was like, oh my God, I don't know. I want to put a little tiny smiley face right there. But those are the eyelashes from the small cow, from the cow mini album. I used the small eyes there on the cactus. Added a little flower here. Here's another shadow word from the cowgirl shadows words. And then on the top, I created a pocket again. And here's where you can pull out this little tag. You can add some journaling or some really tiny pictures. I figured that is a cute little spot. And then I added the star again from the cowboy hat just to pop out on the top. I thought that was really cute. I left the back here blank. So it's just, you could just add a photo. Here is my cow. And guys, I tried to make this little interactive fun piece. I used some pipe cleaner to add to the face, the back of the face right here. So the cow's head would like toggle, like so cute, right? It looked like he's shaking his head. And then I also created a pocket up on top and I added the flowers right there. So it fits exactly around where our, of course, it doesn't want to go in when I'm doing it on camera. There you go. So it fits directly around his little horns right there. So I thought that was cute. So turn around here, and on the back side, I did not do anything again. I left it blank. On the next page, I created the boot. And here is where I lost momentum, guys. I didn't even decorate it, but there you can see the boot. And I added a little tuck spot here. This one is double-sided, so you could either have the wagons. I like the wagons. Or you can have the blue florals on the back sticking out. So I added a little card there, and then I also have another pocket up on top. It kind of tight, but I tried to make it so you can have a little tag up on top again. This one I kind of struggled with because the hinge is like interfering with my tag. So I didn't really think that one through. But there you go. You have two little opportunities there. And then on the back of the boot, I had a hinging. So you could add more journalings and photos. Real simple. And I just kept this backside nice and neat because it is the back of the mini album. I don't want to ruin anything. So there you have it. They all fit. I used the same hinge from the pocket mini album to connect all of them together. But the funny thing is, let me show you before I forget. On the cow mini album, it comes with this background and it has its own hinges. It is the perfect match for the other hinge, so it fits perfectly. So yeah, I intend to play with the mini cow also. Oh, and I forgot the spots on the cow. These are from, these little spots here, they're from the hat mini album. The cowboy hat mini album has some cow die pieces. You could die cut those pieces. So I chose to cut it out of the floral print. And I thought that was so cute. And the little head shaker. Oh, I love it. Love it, love it. And then that is it, guys. I still have a few more dies to catch up on. Hopefully I can make these bows. It will not go into this album. This is intended as a mini album. And yeah. So anyway, if you're new here, welcome. Thank you for joining us. Please hit the subscribe button and join our crafty family. While you're there, hit the notification bell. That will let you know when I load new video like this or when I go live here on my channel. Yeah. Anyway, thank you again, and I'll see you all next time. Bye.